Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this crypto report, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Where is the price going? I'm looking for your feedback in this report. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to your favorite channel on YouTube, Darnell Jackson Crypto. Shout out to all the subscribers. Okay, let's jump over to the agenda. We're talking about bear trap or bull track. Where is Bitcoin going? Now, Bitcoin is one of those things that everybody has an opinion about. And I want to know what you think. People are predicting Bitcoin is going to the ground. People are predicting Bitcoin is going to the ceiling. Right now, you're seeing a post by Mr. Whale, who is one of the most popular, you could call this person a perma bear. Mr. Whale usually will point out any sign of negativity, and he's doing it in this post right here. In this tweet, he's saying the remarkable part about this bull trap is 99% of Bitcoin traders currently think we're still in a bull market. And he says these fake out rallies everyone always loses their minds over are very common in bear markets. We saw them almost every month during the 2018 Bitcoin bubble. Okay, now let's take a look at this image that he attached to his tweet. Okay, hold on, let me take this off here. And you can see in this image that Bitcoin seems to be going up, but actually the current direction that it's heading is down. Let's open up this image here. So it looks like it's pumping, but then it crashes lower. Pump, lower. 39% pump, lower. 97% pump, lower. And it's just continuing to give you the impression that it's pumping while actually working its way lower and lower. So let's just continue and follow this story. I want to jump over to the headlines. And the big article that came out today on Bitcoinist is bullish against all odds. Bitcoin breaks 40K and it beats what they're calling coordinated FUD. Bitcoin sits comfortably north of 40,000 after a rally propelled it beyond this key resistance mark. The first cryptocurrency by market cap even managed to break above 42,000 in its most solid attempt to reclaim new highs since the crash in May. All right, so they're all excited about this run here. Okay, and so they're talking about the financial institution seems to be sending a message. Similar measures by other countries could impact their relationship with the IMF. So they're talking about a lot of the FUD. They're mentioning El Salvador adopting the currency. And so these are some of the things related to where Bitcoin is going. Here, they're seeming very bullish. I want to jump over to the article that's talking about Bitcoin bull trap. Bears begin to dig claws into this crypto trend. This is by Tony Spilatro. Bitcoin price is on the rebound, but after such a sharp fall and more than 50% retracement, any reversal must be considered a potential bull trap until much higher prices are reclaimed. Further adding credence to the theory of a potential bull trap, a trend strength indicator very clearly shows that bears are in charge and are ready to bring out the claws if needed to swap crypto prices back into hibernation mode. All right, let's take a look and see if we can find any evidence backing this up. First thing is, what is a bull trap to begin with? If you're new to trading, you may not be familiar with the terminology. So let's take a look at the definition here on Coin Market Cap. Bull trap occurs when a steadily declining asset appears to reverse and go upward, but soon resumes its downward trend. Bull traps are false market signals that can take place on an asset such as cryptocurrency that exhibits a strong long-term downward trend. A bull trap is also known as a whipsaw pattern and refers to a false signal where a value of a stock, cryptocurrency, or any other kind of financial asset displays a sign of recovery or reversal after a downtrend, when in reality the asset is actually set to decline further. In a bull trap, the price of an asset surpasses its previous support levels, enticing traders and long-term investors to open new long positions or purchase more of the asset. Bull traps are notorious for being deceptive indicators that create dire consequences for players in all markets, which is why they are referred to as traps. In fact, they are one of the reasons why traders should be cautious of any sharp reversal of an asset's price as soon as it finishes a breakout, which is a price movement below a support level. Unfortunately, most retail investors, especially in the crypto space, expect that a breakout will always be followed by a stronger price rally, which isn't always the case. Okay, so that's what a bull trap is. Okay, now let's jump over here to a quick video, and this is a video actually from last year, just to give you some perspective on these predictions. So if you hear someone saying something negative about the price, consider what they were saying last year. So this is 1 year ago, post from Altcoin Daily, and he's talking about how Bitcoin is about to burst above $10,000. Now understand that today the price is over 40,000. So where do you think it's going?
Bitcoin's price is very close to breaking past $10,000 right now. I tweeted this out last night. A lot of people liked it.
Okay, shout out to Altcoin Daily. So just use that for a perspective. He at this point 1 year ago was encouraging his subscribers to consider Bitcoin at 10,000. 1 year later, everybody that listened to him has multiplied their money by 4. What do you think is going to happen next? Now that was last year. This year, here's video from Richard Hart, and he is talking about how Bitcoin is going to crash back to where it was last year, which is 10,000. All right, now I'm not going to play this video. Subscribe to Ivan on Tech, who did the interview with Richard Hart. I'll subscribe right now. See that? Oh, actually, I can't hear. So is it going to crash? And obviously, we know the Bitcoin Twitter is overfilled with to the moon projections for Bitcoin. So what do you think? What is your projection for Bitcoin? Here is a chart that shows this is the 1 year Bitcoin chart. We're at $41,742. We've just closed out an up month of June after having a down. We just closed an up month of July after having a down June and a crashing May. May was the month that saw the big crash from this peak here. April was kind of shaky, and March they were still kind of climbing somewhat. So where do you think it's going? You can see this large peak is where the market ended on July 31st. I'm recording this early in the morning on August 1st. And typically you can see a big jump like this, turn around and head south. We'll see what it actually does. This video will be good to document the actual outcome. Post in the comments what you I want to take this time to thank everybody that liked the video. I appreciate your support. If you didn't like the video, make sure you check out all my other videos and keep watching them until you find one you like. If you watch all of them and you don't like none of them, just share the videos you watched with somebody who will. Until the next time, peace.